Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is obscure. It is pronounced obscure, and it is spelt O-B-S-C-U-R-E. Obscure means not well known or not easily understood. It can also mean to make something difficult to see or understand. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that's not commonly known or is hard to understand. And here are a few ways you could use this word. You could say, the novel's meaning was obscure to many readers. We may have read this novel, we may have read this story, and at the end of it, we're not so clear on what the meaning of the story actually is. We could also say the path to the waterfall was obscured by the dense foliage. So there you might have to brush past or clamber through some branches or shrubbery in order to reach the waterfall, which actually you can't fully see because it's covered by the leaves, the foliage, the forest. A fun fact about the word obscure is that it originally referred to the state of being in shadow or hidden by darkness. Nowadays, it's used to describe something that's difficult to understand or not well known. But you could connect this a bit more and say, well, something that's obscure is difficult to see. And in the same way, this word has been used in the past to explain or show something that is difficult to see because it's covered by shadow or darkness. Here are some synonyms for the word obscure. Unclear, difficult to understand, vague, and mysterious. And some antonyms for obscure are clear, obvious, known, and absolutely crystal clear. Well, that's a phrase. Remember that obscure can be used in many different contexts and situations. Practice using it in your speaking and writing, and you could use it to add a bit of complexity to your vocabulary. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, obscure. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.